Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to boost your saving and make your everyday purchases work harder for you, you are in the right place. Today we are dividing into cashback credit card, arguably one of the best way to earn reward for spending you already do. Whether you are new to credit card or just looking for a better option, we will cover the best cashback credit card available in the USA right now, each with unique benefits to suit your spending style. Let's get started. First is Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is one of the best cashback cards, but out there for people who want simplicity with a touch of bonus categories. This card offers 1.5% cashback on every purchase, which is greater for those who want a straightforward cashback system. Reward breakdown: 5% cashback on travel purchases through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% cashback on dealing and drug store purchases, 1.5% cashback on every other purchase. Bonus offer: new card holder can earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months. Annual fee is $0. Pros: no rotating categories, solid cashback on everyday expenses, bonus reward on travel and dining, great introductory offer for new users. Cons: limited travel rewards compared to other card in its class. Best for people who spend regularly on dining, travel, and drug store purchases. Second is City Double Cash Card. The City Double Cash Card is often considered the ultimate is simplicity. It offers 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when you make a purchase, and an additional 1% when you pay your bill. It does not get more straightforward than this. Reward breakdown: 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. Annual fee is $0. Pros: no rotating categories, simple and automatic cashback, no annual fee, a great choice for those who want consistent reward with minimum effort. Cons: cashback is not the highest in certain categories like supermarket or gas station. Best for people who prefer a hands-off approach to in earning cashback with no fusses. Third is Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. This card is perfect for people who spend heavily on groceries and streaming services. It offers 6% cashback at US Smart Market on up to $6,000 per year and 3% on transportation including taxes, ride shares, parking, toll and public transit. Reward breakdown: 6% cashback at US supermarket up to 6,000 per year dollar. 3% cashback on transit, taxis, buses, etc. 3% cashback on a streaming service like Netflix, Disney Plus, etc. 1% cashback on other purchases. Bonus offer: new card holder can earn a $300 statement credit after spending $3,000 in purchases in the first 6 months. Annual fee is $95, waived the first year for new card holder. Pros: top tier cashback on groceries and streaming, ideal for families or people who use a streaming service regularly. Cons: the $95 annually fee may other outweigh the benefits for those who don't spend a lot on groceries or streaming. Best for families or people who spend heavily on grocery and streaming service. Fourth is Capital One Quick Silver One Cash Reward Credit Card. The Capital One Quick Silver One is a great card for people with average credit. It offers 1.5% cashback on every purchase with no need to worry about rotating categories. 1.5% cashback on all purchases, no limit or categories. Annual fee is $39. Pros is ideal for those with average credit who want to start building their credit. Unlimited cashback on all purchases, no foreign transaction fee. Cons has an annual fee, unlike some other card with no fees. Higher interest rate for lower credit score. Those with average credit who want a straightforward cashback card with unlimited rewards. Fifth is Discover It Cashback. The Discover It Cashback card offers a rotating 5% cashback on categories like gas, groceries, Amazon, and more each quarter. Plus, new car holder get a unique cashback match at the end of their first year, which means Discover will match all the cashback you have earned in your first year. 5% cashback in rotating categories each quarter, up to $1,500 per quarter. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Cashback match. Discover will match all the cashback you have earned in the first year. Annual fee is $0. The great rotating categories offer high cashback rate. No annual fee. Cashback match double your reward in the first year. Cons. Requires activation of rotating categories each quarter. Cashback is capped each quarter at $15,000 in spending. Best for people who are willing to manage rotating categories and want the potential for higher rewards. 6 is Bank of America customized cash reward credit card. This card allows you to earn 3% cashback in a categories of your choice like dining, gas, or online shipping. It also gives 2% cashback at grocery store and wholesale club, plus 1% on everything else. Reward breakdown: 3% cashback in your choice of one categories: gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drug store, or home improvement. 2% cashback at grocery store and wholesale club. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Bonus offer: $200 online bonus after marketing at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days. Its annual fee is $0. Its pros is flexible cashback categories, no annual fee, great for Bank of America customer who qualify for additional perks. Its cons is cashback in the 3% and 2% categories is limited to the first $2,500 in combined purchases per quarter. Best for people who want to customize their cashback reward based on their personal spending habits. So there you have it, 6 of the best cashback credit card available in the USA right now. Whether you want a straightforward, no fuss card or one that gives you the flexibility to choose your category, there is a perfect option out there for you. Remember, it is important to consider your spending habits as well as any annual fee or bonus requirement to ensure you are getting the most out of your card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have not already, subscribe for more personal finance tip and review. Also, if you have any question about cashback card or your current card, drop them in the comment below. We did love to help. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next videos.